Hello, and thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be discussing how to get the System Updates widget in AwesomeWM. So this website uses a table to display the correspondence of package management commands amongst some of the most popular Linux distributions. And all the way down here in the querying package list, we're going to look where it says list packages which have an update available. And so in Arch you're going to have pacman space dash capital Q lowercase u to get your update count. In Red Hat / Fedora, you're going to have DNF list updates or DNF check dash update. And in Debian / Ubuntu, you're going to have app list dash dash upgradable. I'm in Debian, so I'll be using app list dash dash upgradable. Now the thing about using apt list dash dash upgradable is that I usually get an error in the terminal whenever I use it saying that it's an unstable CLI and that I should use it with caution for my scripts. I personally haven't had any issues with it yet, but do keep in mind that you could run into some issues with it. So what we'll be doing today is we'll go into our rc.lua configuration, and if you don't know how to access that, I'll leave a link in the description on how to get your rc.lua configuration file. So what we're going to want to do is go to s.mywebox:setup, which is where we'll be adding our widgets to the Webox. And you can add this in the left widgets, the middle widgets, or even the right widgets. But I decided to add mine in the middle widgets. And what we're going to do is we're going to call on awful.widget.watch because we're going to be watching for a particular command. And so we're going to put bash in double quotes, we're going to put -c in double quotes, and then for our command we're going to use apt list dash dash upgradable. We're going to pipe that into WC, which stands for word count, and the -l is going to be for the number of lines that we have. We're going to pipe that into awk, and then we're going to print it into this pretty little format that we have here, and this $1 is going to be our number that we're pulling. And we're going to set this to every 1 second as far as the interval goes. Because whenever I finish an update, I want it to make sure that my number is reflected immediately in the Webar. So you might notice here that I have a -1. And the reason I have a -1 is because that error that we get sometimes also counts as a line. So we want to -1 from that number. So that way we get a proper count. But then over here, our %d is going to be coming from this $1 -1, and I just added a nice little icon here for this and spaced it out. And now we've come full circle. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video.